WordPress, that old blogging platform, isn't it outdated? Not even close. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. So that's just not blogs. We're talking news sites, online stores, portfolios, and even enterprise platforms. Here's why WordPress still dominates. It's open source and endlessly customizable. Thousands of plugins and themes, a massive global community, regular updates, including the sleek Gutenberg editor. Sure, it's not perfect. Some developers say it's clunky, too many plugins can slow things down, and newer platforms like Webflow or Wix offer slicker visual editors. But outdated? Not even close. WordPress is evolving, not fading. If you want full control, scalability, and a proven ecosystem, it's still one of the best tools out there. Thinking of building a site? Don't count WordPress out. Drop a comment if you've used it recently or if you jumped ship to something new. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you think that WordPress is already outdated or not.